Let's see, grep Alaska, and search all files in the current folder. Oh, these things. I hate these errors. Do you ever get these grep errors or messages that just clutter your screen and are really unnecessary? Do they anger you like they anger me? Then let's talk about an easy solution that will cut the noise, which is what you don't want to see, and allow you to focus on signal, which is what you do want to see. When you type grep Alaska star, grep pops up these messages saying, hey, these are folders and I cannot look inside them by default. But we don't care about that, and those messages are usually just irritating. So to stop or suppress them, we type grep-s and then our search pattern and then the star. So there you have it, nice clean output without grep complaining about the subfolders. You can think of the S in the -S option as standing for suppress, as in suppresses errors and informational messages. There may be times when you do want to see these errors and messages. For instance, grep may not be running the way you anticipated, so you may need to see if it's throwing any obvious errors in order to troubleshoot it. So be deliberate about using or not using the -S option. Another route to getting rid of these particular messages complaining about subfolders in my current folder is to just use the grep-r search pattern. So grep-r, and then here's my search pattern, and then we'll search all folders. That will fix this particular issue, but maybe I do not want to search for files in subfolders via a recursive search. Maybe I just want to search the files in the current folder. You can see here that this one came up because I used the -r for a recursive search. Now you have a fix for any annoying error messages that print themselves to the screen when you are trying to run grep. But make sure to use it when you really mean to so that you don't miss out on anything important. If you guys want to learn a specific new Linux command or you're frustrated with your understanding of a command you're currently using, let me know in the comments and maybe I can make a video explaining it. And if you know of someone else that would benefit from this video, please share it with them. And thanks for hanging out with me. Have a good one.